Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to translate an Instagram bio. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen and search for a bio which you can translate. Here you can see this Russian profile has a bio in Arabic as well as Russian. And under bio you'll see translation. Tap on that and the bio will automatically be translated. And if you tap on see original, the original bio will show up again. And that's how you can see translation of a bio on Instagram. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.